Replace a character in the content block in all new Adobe Captivate. Let's replace a character and change its look and feel. Create new project. Go to New Slide and add a new conversational block. Select the image placeholder and add a character from Assets. Select an image from the collection of over 800 images. Let's filter by industry, image style and even with gender character. We can also uncheck the options to get more specific type of images. We can even uncheck the selection on right top. We can enjoy the perfect balance of ease and flexibility as we refine our slide designs. Select an image from the collection after filtering, and select Replace Image. Select a pose or multiple poses to insert on the slide. The all-new Adobe Captivate makes replacing the character in conversational blocks simple and easy. Like, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about upcoming videos featuring all the latest updates on Adobe Captivate.